my view, DeFi 2.0, like the evolution of any industry, is basically progression from what we existingly have. And like I was discussing, is DeFi 2.0 essentially is going to have progression in two different sides. One is bringing in better out of the existing functionalities of the DeFi 1.0 by bringing in better liquidity efficiency. And in a minute, I'll give an example of what I mean. Second part is the evolution of DeFi on the functional standpoint, where bringing in new functionalities, new innovation in using smart contracts for financial products. So these are the two directions in which I see DeFi 1.0 progressing into DeFi 2.0. And to give an example and context for people to understand it better, when I talk about better efficiency in liquidity, still utilizing the existing functional parameters of DeFi 1.0. With that, I mean like today when people deploy their capital and liquidity in Uniswap, that stays idle until it is used for the swap in a particular pool. So having money idle is a loss of interest in that manner, is a loss of yield. So as part of DeFi 2.0, and there are a lot of DEXs which are already working on this model, is that while the liquidity is idle in the pool, a portion of that gets deployed to other yield generating avenues like Aave, Compound, EasyFi, etc., where that capital which was locked in the contracts is earning yield and then is brought back the moment it is required for facilitating the swap. So this is an example where it's an evolution of existing functional nodes with better efficiency. And then the second part of bringing in more functional nodes into the DeFi, the functional capabilities, functional evolution of DeFi, is an example of like MetaFi, the lending for metaverses which don't exist today, which is becoming part of DeFi. Then the second part is more structured products, like we recently had seen there are lending, unsecured lending that has started utilizing the social credibility from teller and issuance of micro loans which are unsecuritized, uncollateralized. So that is also a functional evolution. And then on top of that, the structured products like credit default swaps on those loans, those are the structured products that we will see in DeFi 2.0.